these are the last minute final leaks of the iPhone 13 series. Hello all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and right before the launch of iPhone 13, we have just received last minute leaks of the iPhone 13. Yes, last minute leaks. We all know Apple will announce the iPhone 13 series on September 14, 2021, and only few days are remaining. And right before that, we have received these leaks which are confirmed about the battery life, screen, iPhone models and their price. The first leak is about the iPhone 13 mini. This is confirmed and Apple has a plan to launch it. And upcoming iPhone mini will have 1 hour additional battery life compared to iPhone 12 mini. Not only this, iPhone 13 and 13 Pro will have approx 10% more battery life too. But this is not a good news for iPhone 13 Pro, because it is confirmed that iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max will have a 120Hz screen refresh rate, and the battery life of iPhone 13 Pro may be worse than the iPhone 13 due to the power consumption of the 120Hz capable ProMotion display. However, iPhone 13 Pro Max will perform better as it will feature an 18 to 20% larger battery compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. According to the leaker Max, the ProMotion display of the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max will throttle to the 60Hz when low power mode is enabled. Now, let's talk about the camera, not the lens but the camera. Max tweeted that the iPhone 13 Pro Max will continue to offer exclusive feature that iPhone 13 Pro will not have. And I guess that's the sign that iPhone 13 Pro Max will have a huge change in the camera department. Maybe it's related to videos like shooting videos in a portrait mode. Max tweeted, cinematic portrait video mode will use an electronic image stabilization known as RAP. This mode will attempt to keep the subject in the center of the frame, use the optical image stabilization for a more smooth operating mode, and offer additional effects. And this can be the change in iPhone 13 Pro Max, and iPhone 13 Pro will not have that. Apart from this specific change in Pro models, the camera sensor across all models will be able to receive at least 15% more light, and with the biggest increase in the ultra-wide lens camera sensor with up to 40% more light. Max also said that the night mode will recognize when stars are in the frame and adjust the settings accordingly. New algorithm analysis structure reshape and adjust shadows. The color science of the night mode will be visibly improved. Now, let's talk about the price leaks. I'm sure you are excited about it just like me. Let me tell you, there will be no price hike of the iPhone 13 lineup. Yes, no price hike for all the models of the iPhone 13 lineup. Sounds good, and I must say we got a relief by hearing or getting this news, right? Do share me your thought about all the iPhone 13 leaks, especially about the price. I'm sure you got a relief for that, I'm sure. Do share with me in the comments down below. And that was it with this video. Stay tuned with us by subscribing to my YouTube channel, as I'm excited to share such leaks and talks about everything Apple. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.